Biology is not just one subject. It is a world of many sciences. Each branch studies life in a different way. You may pause and take notes while watching this video. Biology is the study of life, but life is complex, so biology is divided into branches. Each branch focuses on a specific part of life. Let's start with botany. Botany is the study of plants. It explains how plants grow, how they make food, and how they survive. Next is zoology. Zoology is the study of animals, from insects to mammals, from fish to humans. Microbiology studies tiny life forms. These organisms cannot be seen with naked eyes, like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Cell biology studies the cell, the smallest unit of life. Every living thing is made of cells. Anatomy studies body structure, bones, organs, and body parts. Physiology studies how the body works, how the heart beats, how lungs breathe, how the brain thinks. Genetics studies genes and inheritance, why children look like parents, why traits are passed down. Ecology studies living organisms and their environment, how plants, animals, and humans depend on nature. Biotechnology uses biology for human benefit, making medicines, vaccines, and improved crops. Biochemistry studies chemical reactions of life inside cells, inside the human body. These are just a few branches. Biology has many more. Each branch helps us understand life better. Biology helps in medicine, in agriculture, in environment protection, and in human survival. Biology is not boring. Biology is everywhere. Biology is life itself.